Mr. Venu Madhav and Mr. Sudhir, which would be briefing for about 5 minutes about the company, which is now 1 crore in every one of the account, in every account. Okay. So suppose 20 shares I am buying. Click on done. Once you click on done, a message will come. Congrats, your order for ACC has been placed. Okay. So if you are buying a share or you are selling a share, a message will come that your order has been placed. Now you want to view
financial assets, and we have started Credila in the year 2 years back. So it is our vision to give loans to the aspiring students. So this is one of the pet projects of our MD. So coming back to HDFC, I am from HDFC Mutual Fund, and we are linked with stock market. We are into asset management business, wherein we manage around 1,70,000 crores of AUM under us. So how this is in sync with the stock market? Let me tell you, who has not got time, convenience and knowledge about stock market, they come to mutual funds. So this is a big growing industry, and this industry is there for almost 50-60 years abroad, and this is starting maturing from last 2 decades. And as we go, I think this would be one of the pioneer in terms of equity investments. So with this, I wish you all the best for today's event. And
yes, of course we can. For that we need a Demat account. Demat stands for dematerialization account, which saves your stocks and shares in an electronic format. Now there are 2 types of market. One is primary market and one is secondary market. In the primary market, the listed companies issued initial public offerings, and the secondary market, in the secondary market, stocks and shares are being traded. Now, what is S&P? I own a company and I have 51% share of ownership shares. Now, Sensex will calculate on the value of the 49% of the share and not 100% of the share divided by base price of the share into 100. The base value is taken as 100 and the base year is taken as 1978 and 79 for Sensex. For Nifty, the base year is taken as 1995 and the base value is taken as 1000. It works on the concept of full market capitalization, that it does not go with owner's share and the other share. It takes full 100% share of companies into account. Now, before starting the real game, we would like to give a small demo on how to play the game. For that, we need to understand some basic fundas. The first one is market orders. When you order a share or a stock at a current market price, then it is said that you have given a market order at this moment. Limit order. Suppose for a stock, the current market price is at 1150 rupees, but you want to purchase it as 1100 rupees. So you give a limit price of 1100 rupees. When the price of that share comes to 1100, the order will be executed. Till then, it will be in the pending mode. GTD. GTD stands for good deal. Before that, if the price of that share doesn't reaches to 1130 rupees, then the order will get automatically cancelled. If you give an option of GTD, GTD is good to cancel. It will remain in your portfolio until you cancel it. At the end of the day, it will not get cancelled. Stop loss. Suppose you bought a share at 2500 rupees, but you can't afford, if the share price goes less than 2100 rupees, you can't afford that much loss. As I said, you can use your full 1 crore of cash to buy and sell shares listed on NSE companies. You can't go for BSE listed companies. Only on NSE companies you can trade. You can trade. You cannot short sell in the cash market. Use of internet is allowed if you want to take the news of what is going currently in the market. You can use any website you want. Be it for. Thank you. Any questions regarding the game? Yeah, login will be provided by us. I will be coming shortly to the screen, the main. Yeah, but then once you place an order, it will be sold. It will be in your pending portfolio. Yeah. So that whatever you buy, you need to sell it. At the end of the giving period, what?
That means what you purchase all the stocks you must sell.
Yeah. At the end of the giving time.
Giving time. In between we need to sell the stock.
Sorry.
Okay, first I have purchased the stock. In between, at the in between the game, can I sell the stock?
Yeah. Between you can sell the share. You can buy the share. You can sell the share at your wish anytime you want.
Thank you.
Give a small demo. Suppose you want to buy a share. You will go to transact. You will click on stock. You can click on buy.